Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2022 Audi A5? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Driver's side fuse panel access, LHD and RHD. The driver's side fuse panel in both LHD and RHD vehicles is conveniently located in the footwell area, allowing easy, tool-free access. It houses fuses for key cabin systems like lighting, infotainment, and climate control, with a labeled cover for quick identification. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box is located inside the vehicle, typically beneath the dashboard or behind a panel. It contains fuses that protect lower voltage electrical components such as the radio, interior lights, power windows, and dashboard controls. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box is typically located behind a side panel or under the cargo floor in the rear of the vehicle. It protects circuits related to rear features like tail lights, power liftgate, and rear outlets.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.